Hello friends, I'm Satinder Kaur and I welcome you to my channel. My today's video is a vlog with the theme Roads and Transportation in Canada. So let's get started. Please watch the video till the end as it's going to be very interesting. Here's my son Guneet and we are on our way for a long drive.
Ontario, you're making a difference to keep people safe from COVID-19.
We are now on the roads of the city of Toronto. You would be surprised to see the number of lanes on either side, 6 each and 12 in all. The roads are so wide that they facilitate smooth functioning without any chaos. There is a huge tanker truck you may see. It's moving at its fixed speed. Friends, you would never get a chance to hear the horn blowing unless somebody violates the traffic rule. There are signboards everywhere to check the speed of moving vehicles. The commuters change the lane only after using an indicator. Just see the quality and standard of roads here. It's so convenient to travel without any uneasiness due to humps or ditches. The traffic rules and regulations are strictly observed that no one dares to forbid as there's a ticket system with heavy penalty. The trucks are so majestic and royal to look. During summers, Canadians carry boats along with their cars to do boating and fishing by the lake. They are truly adventurous. Hold on. Look for the road construction work in progress. The flow of traffic is not affected by any means, and there lies the beauty of order and time management. Here we took a halt for some refreshment and then we proceeded towards the countryside. Look at the road straight reaching the infinity as if and touching the sky. The lush green trees rendered beauty to the place. This is Canada, of course, a dreamland. The plantation is very good because of good weather condition. Here we saw some farmhouses and even horse riding places. These are the fence made just for those farmhouses. Hope you have had a very good experience of roads and transportation by now. Even I felt very, very excited to describe all this to you, and for me, it was a thrilling experience. And here are some of the mansions, big, big mansions, castle like houses. Look at the beauty of architecture. Please like, share, and comment. Just a few minutes more, be with me to explore more as we turn back home from country life to the city. You may see the sky high buildings and condos by the roadside.